Today, I'll walk you through how to create a OneNote planner, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up an efficient planner in Microsoft OneNote so you can better organize your tasks and manage your time effectively. Let's get started. First, open your OneNote desktop app. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll find a blank canvas ready for your creativity. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The core functionalities remain the same, just like opening a blank notebook ready to be filled with ideas. Next, navigate to the notebook or page where you want to place your planner. This is similar to choosing a specific section in a physical planner where you want to jot down your daily tasks. Take a moment to find the right spot, as this will be your go-to area for planning your days ahead. Now let's talk about the essentials for your daily planner. A successful planner requires time and task tracking, as these are crucial for organizing your day. Think of it as the foundation of a house. Without a solid base, everything else will be unstable. To create your planner, you'll need to set up a table. Specifically, create a 3-column by 24-row table. In this table, you'll add the time, task, and remarks for each task. This structure allows you to visualize your day clearly, making it easier to stay on track. Once your table is ready, it's time to plot your tasks on the tracker. This step is where you can plan your day ahead. Fill in the time slots with your tasks, and don't forget to include any remarks that might help you remember important details. This is like mapping out a route for a road trip. The clearer your plan, the smoother your journey will be. As you complete these steps, you'll find that your OneNote planner is taking shape. Remember, the key to effective planning is consistency and clarity. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.